Alright guys, excuse all these other gifts that I opened today. I also have this off-roading remote control car, so let's just bust it open here. Let's try and bust it open, I should say. One second. Okay, well, I put down the camera to get this out. I don't know what way this comes out. This way, I think. Oh, there's tape on the side, of course. Got the remote control cart. So remember to check out the remote control drone and stuff that I unboxed for Christmas as well. Hope you guys are having a good one. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know why the camera keeps flipping. Sorry, I really appreciate you guys watching.